Now I add second chart in the pivot table. Active any cell of data table. Click Insert. Click Pivot Chart. Click OK. I will show monthly sales or revenue in pivot chart. Rename this sheet monthly sales or revenue. Double click. Press Enter key. Drag the total revenue field in the values area and drag month field in axis area. Now I change chart type. Click Design tab. Click Change Chart Type. Click Line. Select the line with markers. Click OK. Click Chart Elements. Uncheck Primary Vertical Axis. Uncheck Chart Titles. Uncheck Grid Lines and Legend. Hide the field. Right click. Click Hide All Field. Check Data Labels to show sales of each month. Select column B values. Click Currency Format. Reduce the decimal places. Double click on chart area. Click on horizontal axis. Click Axis Options arrow button. Click Horizontal Axis. Check Gradient Fill. Select Light Gradient and select Light Green. Now I format line and markers. These points are called markers. Double click on line. First I format line. Check solid line. Select the color of line orange. Increase the width of line up to 3. Click marker button. Then click marker options. Check built in. Click type arrow button and select second type. Increase the size up to 10. Now change the color of marker. I select green. Now select labels. Click Home tab. Click bold button. Increase the size up to 10. Select the blue color. So second chart is completed. Change the size of chart and remain as it is.